Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, and guys, today I went to the meat market. So guys, I want to show you what going on now with prices. So I went to the meat market today. I buy 5.5 pounds of goat meat. I guess this is what they call mutton. I buy, you have to say 5.5 pounds of beef. That's the price. I buy 3 pounds of turkey neck. That's the price, guys. I don't know if you can see the price. $11.36, guys. So, once upon a time you could go to the supermarket and you spend $100 and you buy so much stuff, meat that could last you for months, guys. Look at the price. $5.99, guys, a pound, and it was $6.99, and the guy said if I buy more than 5 pounds, they will give me for $5.99. So they take off, I think I would say $1. So look at the price for 5 pounds of goat meat, 5 pounds, almost 6 pounds of beef, and 3 pounds of turkey neck, guys. Almost $90. It is almost $90. And this, how long can this, last? Because when you cook the goat meat, that is gonna shrink. When you cook the beef, that's gonna shrink. The turkey neck probably not gonna shrink a lot, but it's gonna shrink somewhat. So guys, I don't know what's going on with the price them in the supermarket, but this is how much it costs for this 3 little packs of stuff. Can you imagine? For 5 pounds, you have to say 6 pounds of beef for $40.05. 5.5 pounds of goat meat for $31, and 3 pounds of turkey neck, $11.36. Guys, I don't know what we're gonna do because the price of things is going sky high. So guys, I just want to show you guys on some stuff that I bought today from the meat market. I didn't even go to the supermarket because the price is crazy in the supermarket. So I just go to the meat market thinking that it will be cheaper, but it's not much cheaper, guys. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment, guys, and help me to grow my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Help me, guys, to grow my channel, guys.